Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest travel news and updates. In today's video, we're going to talk about the latest technology in travel. Smart luggage. We all know how stressful traveling can be, especially when it comes to lugging around heavy luggage. But with the latest advancements in technology, smart luggage is here to make our lives easier. Benefits of smart luggage. Smart luggage is equipped with various features that make traveling hassle-free. One of the most significant benefits is that it has a built-in GPS tracking system, so you can always keep track of your luggage whereabouts, even when it's out of your sight. Some of the latest smart luggage with GPS tracking includes Bluesmart Suitcase and Trunkster. Another useful feature is the built-in charger. With the increasing reliance on smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices, running out of battery while traveling can be a nightmare. But with smart luggage, you can charge your devices on the go. Some of the latest smart luggage with built-in chargers includes Raden Carry-On, Modobag, and Raden Carry-On. Smart luggage also has smart locks that allow you to lock and unlock your luggage using your smartphone. This feature comes in handy when you're traveling and need to access your luggage quickly. Some of the latest smart locks include Airbolt and August Smart Lock. In addition, some smart luggage also has a built-in scale, which allows you to weigh your luggage without having to use a separate scale. This feature ensures that you don't exceed the weight limit and avoid any additional fees. Some of the latest smart luggage with built-in scales include Raden Carry-On and Neat. Latest smart luggage. One of the latest smart luggage is the Raden A22 Carry-On. It comes equipped with a built-in scale, built-in charger, and GPS tracking. It's also made of durable polycarbonate material, making it lightweight and easy to carry. Another latest smart luggage is the Bluesmart Cabin Suitcase. It has a built-in GPS tracking system, built-in charger, smart lock, and even a built-in speaker that allows you to play music directly from your suitcase. Modobag is a unique smart luggage that allows you to ride on it like a scooter. It has a built-in charger, GPS tracking, and can reach speeds of up to 8. It's perfect for those who are always on the go and need to get to their destination quickly. Smart luggage is undoubtedly the future of travel. With all these features, traveling will be much more comfortable and hassle-free. So if you're planning on traveling soon, consider getting yourself a piece of smart luggage to make your journey stress-free.